Hello and welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we will teach you how to block outgoing phone calls on your Android device. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I work hard and spend a lot of time to create them for you. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Call app on your phone. This is the app that you use to make and receive phone calls. It usually has a green icon with a phone symbol on it. Next, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with various options. Select Settings from the menu. This will take you to the Call Settings page, where you can customize your call preferences. Then, tap on Calling Accounts. This will show you the list of SIM cards and accounts that you have on your phone. You can choose which one you want to block outgoing calls from. After that, tap on Advanced Settings. This will open another menu with more options. Tap on Call Barring. This will take you to the Call Barring page, where you can enable or disable different types of calls. Finally, enter your barring password. This is a 4-digit code that you need to enter to confirm your changes. If you don't know your barring password, you can contact your service provider or check your SIM card documentation. Once you enter your password, you can turn the toggle of all outgoing calls off. This will block all outgoing calls from your selected SIM card or account. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.